Kunshan Peacemounts Electronics Company Limited, established in 2014. We are located in Suzhou. We're nearby Shanghai with convenient transportation access. We holds one of leadership position in the development and supplier of metal brackets. As an established in China mounting solution products supplier, we pride ourselves on spreading our groundbreaking mounting solutions through the world. Our dedicated R&D team keeps improving a technological process to ensure our product meets the international quality standards. With so many years developing and providing of metal brackets, we've already gained extensive knowledge and expertise in providing you solution of audio and video equipment easily. Our products include TV mount, tablet stand, medical monitor arm, and other metal brackets. We have 8 years of production and research experience, a number of product patents, independent brand trademarks, our associated factory, and have been equipped with perfect production equipment, including laser cutting machine, bending machine, sheet metal production line, assembly line, raw and auxiliary materials and finished products warehouse, and quality testing instruments and equipment. We cover the process from sheet metal processing to assembly production. Quality first is the philosophy we have always practiced. The products we sell undergo several stages of inspection to ensure their safety and stated properties. We have all the required quality certificates and will be pleased to provide them to our partners. We'll do our best to solve the customer's solution, quality, and delivery worries, helping them set up a long-term and sustainable business.